Hey guys, welcome to this video. Our topic is the atomic structure. In the past video, we discussed the subatomic particles. We said that the atom consists of three subatomic particles: the the protons, electrons, and the neutrons. Now, today let's see the electronic configuration or simply electronic arrangement. Now, let's dive into it. Let's start with the concept of electronic arrangements. Now, electronic arrangement refers to the manner in which these electrons are arranged in an atom. We said that an atom consists of a central nucleus that contains these protons and the neutrons and the class of electrons that revolve in orbits around the nucleus. Now, these electrons are the ones that are grouped in shells. Now, the arrangement of the electrons around the nucleus is what is also known as the electronic configuration. Now, this arrangement depends on the maximum number of the electrons that can occupy at a given shell. Now, let's see the Bohr's theory of electronic configuration. From just the name, you can simply know that it was proposed by Bohr's. Now, the Bohr's theory of electronic configuration simply shows the arrangement of the electrons. Now, it can be summarized as follows. The first one is that the electrons are in orbit around the nucleus of the atom. So that's the first thing that I have to note. The second is that the electron orbits are grouped together in shells. A shell is simply the group of orbits occupied by electrons with the approximately equal energy. The third one that the electrons in the shell distant from the nucleus have higher energy than those in the shells close to the nucleus. So you can see and you can tell the difference that the electrons that are closer to the nucleus or the electrons that are distant from the nucleus, they will have the higher energy than those that are close to the nucleus. Now, the other points that are made or are said in this theory that the electrons fill the shells starting in the first shell, which is the closest to the nucleus. Uh, the shells are numbered maybe 1, 2, 3, etc. outwards from the nucleus. The shells may be represented by letters, for example, maybe K, L, M, and N respectively, starting from the nucleus. Now, the maximum number of electrons in a shell, numbered N, is obtained as 2 raised to 2n. Now, the first shell can only contain up to 2 electrons, so that we have to note the second shell can contain a maximum of 8 electrons. The third shell can contain up to 18 electrons. In the outermost shell of any atom, the maximum number of electrons possible is 80. Now, the outer electrons of some atoms can be removed fairly easily to form ions. Now, the chemical bonding between these atoms to form molecules involves the electrons in the outer shell only. So that have to be noted and was proposed in this theory. Now, electronic arrangement of some typical atoms is shown below. As you can see, there's a simple electronic arrangement of magnesium and sulfur. As you can see, the arrangement starting from the first shell, second shell to the third shell. Now, this arrangement depends on the maximum number of electrons that can occupy a shell. An atom, take an example, an atom with 18 electrons will have the following electronic configuration, that is 2, 8, 3. This means that there are 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and the 3 electrons in the third shell. So that's simply how the electrons can be arranged according to this theory. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've discussed the concept of electronic configuration. We've seen the Boy's uh, theory of electronic configuration and how it works in arranging the electrons of an atom. Thank you.